Welcome to our Blockchain 101 series. So far in our previous videos, we explained what blockchain technology is, delved into its history and explored how blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies have revolutionized the financial industry. Now, in this video, we will discuss how blockchain technology is being used in various fields beyond finance. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of our latest tech content. Let's get started. As you learned in our previous videos, blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records transactions and ensures the integrity and security of data. While finance has been the primary area of application for blockchain, its potential is far-reaching, such as supply chain management, healthcare, real estate, government and other industries. For example, in supply chain management, blockchain's immutable ledger makes it well-suited to tasks such as real-time tracking of goods as they move and change hands throughout the supply chain. In the healthcare industry, blockchain is being used to improve data management and interoperability. With blockchain, patients can have better control over their health data, and healthcare providers can securely share information and collaborate on patient care. In real estate, this technology would expedite home sales by quickly verifying finances, reduce fraud thanks to its encryption, and offer transparency throughout the entire selling and purchasing process. As for government, the use of blockchain technology can be applied for record management, identity management, transparent voting and much more. Even media companies have already started to adopt blockchain technology to eliminate fraud, reduce costs, and even protect intellectual property rights of content, like music records. These are just a few examples of how blockchain is being applied in various industries beyond finance. As you can see, the potential applications of blockchain are vast and exciting. If you want to learn more about blockchain technology and its potential applications, don't forget to watch the entire Blockchain 101 playlist and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.